Okay guys, so if you look at my previous video, I talked about the heat sensor here, thermostat down here, that turned out it wasn't a problem. I mean, obviously the thermostat was bad, so it would fail eventually if it didn't already. I don't know, I'm not sure, but whatever. So what I did is, this was completely messed up on my side. When I was cleaning the filters here, for some reason I moved that valve down, so the heater was still getting water, but it wasn't enough pressure. So before you order any parts or do anything dumb like I did, just make sure, first of all, make sure you mark all of your valves, how they need to go in what direction, or just take a few pictures or something like that. Save yourself a lot of headaches. Anyways, now I got the valve in correct position. Everything works perfect. Thumbs up.